Welcome to the Xpel Screen Protector application instructions video. Today we're going to show you 8 steps in order for you to apply your screen protector with ease. Step 1. Once you've turned your device off and removed any existing screen protection, using the chamois provided, clean all the dust and fingerprints off the surface of the phone screen. Step 2. Spray gel on your fingertips to avoid fingerprinting. Step 3. Remove the backing sheet from the screen protector and spray the sticky side of the screen protector with gel. Hold the gel 10 cm away from the screen protector when spraying to ensure an even spray. Step 4. Spray your phone screen with gel. Hold the gel 10 cm away from the phone screen when spraying to ensure an even spray. Step 5. Place the screen protector's sticky side down on the phone screen and position it without applying any pressure to the screen protector. Step 6. Spray a little bit of gel on the screen protector to lubricate it so that you can squeegee the gel out with ease. Step 7. Press down firmly in the center of the screen to create a bond. Starting from the center moving up and then from the center moving down, firmly press out the gel from between the phone screen and the screen protector. Step 8. Wipe off any excess gel with your chamois. Small amounts of moisture between the screen and protector can take up to 24 hours to dry completely. If you're not happy with the application, you can remove the screen protector and start the application again from step 3. Thank you for watching our video. If you require any additional information, please follow the link below.